Vatland Marco here with the just came in 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body. You can see the fender flares here. Good picture of the wheel. This one's got the the black Brembo calipers. I'm going to do a cold start on it. I'm going to position the camera back around here. Let me walk around the side here. There we go. Get down. We can do a nice cold start. So let's see what this thing's got. Just came in off the truck, and right here, of course, we're at Vatland Chrysler Ram Dodge Jeep in Vero Beach, Florida. Beautiful, beautiful day here at Vero. She's up front. If you want to see it or have any questions on it, just you can send me a message or just comment down below. Again, Vatland Marco here at Vatland Dodge Ram Jeep Chrysler in Vero Beach, Florida.